تشينو روبرت دينيرو، ومشهوره بالبيسبول ومشهوره بالباسكت بول NBA والليكرز والحاجات دي كلها. اهم حاجه في امريكا احنا بنعيشها اليومين دول مصارعه المحترفين اللي هي WWE. فطبعا وانا في امريكا لا يمكن افوت حدث زي ده، لازم اتفرج عليه ولازم اشوف ايه التحضيرات اللي بتحصل، لازم اشوف يعني الحياه اللي بيعيشوها ايه يعني. فاتفقت مع صديقنا باتريك ان احنا ندور على طريقه نخش لهم بيها كمشاهدين، ونشوف ايه استعداداتهم ونشوف ايه التمرينات اللي بيعملوها، ونشوف بياكلوا ايه، نشوف الحديد اللي بيشيلوه بيعيشوا ازاي، لبسهم عامل ازاي، مين المشاهير اللي عندهم. انا شخصيا اكسايتد قوي بالحلقه دي، ويا رب بس يعرفوا يجيبوا لي تيكت او حاجه ان انا اتفرج على ماتش من الماتشات بتاعتهم وابقى في الكواليس اللي بتحصل اثناء الماتش. اوكي ان شاء الله تبقى حلقه كويسه. Hello, Patrick.
Hey, Ramez. How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm very
nice
well,
to meet
my
you.
friends.
Have a seat, have a seat.
Thank you.
Did you make the appointment with the trainer?
Yeah, I already made the appointment. I actually have a surprise for you too.
What surprise.
Take a look. I put your head on the Undertaker's body.
Okay.
That way, when you go into the ring, they will respect you more and you will be able to watch. You know, you will have the physique for the wrestler.
يا ابن اللعيبه، حط راسي مطرح راس اندرتيكر، ده مصارع مشهور جدا، عشان يسمحوا لي ان انا اتفرج عليهم، لان هم لو شافوا جسمي بالشكل ده مش هيسمحوا لي. This is great picture. Can I have it in Egypt?
Yeah, sure. I actually already sent it to the guys over there. That might be them now. Okay, so it's a great picture.
What's his name?
Ramez!
What's his name?
You want to be a professional wrestler?
مين يقول اسمي؟ Oh. Who's this guy?
First of all, which one of you idiots' name is Ramez? Is it you?
No, him.
Is it you? Huh?
No, this is Ramez. I'm just his friend. Look, here's his picture. I'm sorry. Ramez, sorry, I gotta go. Bye.
ورحمة أمي ولا بقى؟
Take your stupid, look at these stupid glasses.
أنت عارف دي بكام؟ والله حرام.
You don't think I know who this is?
Okay.
Huh? Is this a joke to you? Hey! Look at me! Is this a joke to you?
النضارة دي بص، عارف لا والمصحف وحياة
You want to be a wrestler? Come on.
المصحف السيد منى، والله العظيم هو اللي بيهزر.
You want to be a wrestler?
يا عم ما تاخدش، احنا مش جايين نهزر يا عم، احنا جايين نصور برنامج اسمه رامز حول العالم ورحمة أمي، والمصحف أنا اللي بعت الصورة. وحياة ربنا ما لا إيه يا جدعان؟ لا سبورتي. ازاي عندي؟ نو ازاي عندي؟ صلي على النبي. قول له حاجة يا عم الحاج. قول له حاجة يا عم الحاج. خش عليه. يا جماعة احنا جايين نصور برنامج اسمه رامز حول العالم.
Bring it! This ain't even about me. Miss Mora, I think this is a joke.
Talk to him, don't talk to me.
You think this is a joke?
I swear the guy who sent the email.
Bring your butt down here.
I swear the guy who sent the email. I swear the guy who sent the email.
He sends me
Not
something.
me.
What's going on?
اديله في وشه. اديله في وشه. كيك him in here. الانساس مسكتهولك. اه.
Welcome to our world.
Oh my god.
Time for you to get a piece of the key. Here we go.
No. يا عبد الله.
Give me a chance. Let me train him.
No, مش
Let me give me a chance.
No, I don't want to fight him. No.
Trust me. Shut up. I'm gonna train you.
No.
It's gonna be me and you, right? You and Goofball Ramez against me and any of my partner I pick. Okay, cool. Wait.
انت مش محتاج بارتنر. You don't need partner.
No, it's okay. Hey, tomorrow, you and your tag team partner against me and Ramez. Hey, deal? Welcome to Knox Pro, baby. Bring it on tomorrow.
انا مش محتاج يوم واحد تمرين، انا محتاج 10 سنين تمرين. ما ينفعش يوم واحد.
Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Tomorrow.
Okay. Let's meet tomorrow. I'll support him.
I suggest you go work out, Ramez.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Train him.
Tomorrow. Hey. Tomorrow he will kick your ass.
I wait for you.
Okay.
I wait for you.
Okay. But you just you don't need a partner. You are 4, not 1.
I'm gonna make you respect professional wrestling.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna make you respect.
Do you think you can?
This.
We can beat him?
You're gonna respect this.
Okay. له في الارضي، ركز معاه في الارضي. I'll beat you tomorrow. Bye. Bye chicken. You're chicken. You're piece of coward. Not me. Not me. Don't hold me. Are you ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Are you scary, baby? Are you scary? Don't be scary. Don't be scary. Are you ready?
Ready.
We will kick his ass. I'll kill you today. Today, your last day. Hey, I'll crack your neck. Today, I'll kill you. Don't worry about me. Go. Your turn. دوختهولك. Go. ربنا معاك. جو. شد حيلك. اوكي. شد ضعيف. Yes. Hey. Give it to me. Oh. Again. I did it! Go. Oh my God. You're good. Oh my God.
You alright?
I think so. Whew. أنا كان مالي ومالي اللعبة بنت
We have have to.
We have what?
We have to.
We have to revenge. We have to revenge.
In Egypt.
يس we have to revenge. بص احنا نروح وانا هكلمهم لهم ايه؟ ممدوح فرج وياسر جلال ومحمد لطفي. واخد بالك يخلصوا الليله السوداء دي. Who's the small guy? The midget one. Who's?
This is brother.
His brother?
Yes.
يا نهار اسود. Oh my God. ده من ام تانية صح؟ من another mother ها؟
Yes.
This brother from another mother. Right?
yeah, from-
أنا مضطر في الحلقة يا جماعة.
My auntie.
Yes, yes, yes. Your auntie?
No, his auntie.
His auntie. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. إحنا مضطرين في الحلقة ده يا جماعة. وإن شاء الله we will revenge in Egypt. Yes, in front of the pyramids. You with me, okay?
Promise.
And we will call محمد لطفي and ياسر جلال and ممدوح فرج. Okay? Thank you. You're my man. You're my man. أنت عملت اللي عليك.